Jill Schweikert.
My name's Chad Schweikert, and we're building the Peyton.
I've had a great time just being able to ask any question I need to ask, and everyone seems very willing to accommodate us and answer the questions we need, and picking out the floor plans is really great.
It's been a very positive experience. Everybody's been great and help us out. As soon as we have a question, it's usually answered. There's a lot to choose from. A lot of options, a lot of different styles and cabinetry and tile and wood. It's overwhelming kind of, but it's been a really good experience trying to, getting to pick everything that we
to
want.
Make your home, our home, right?
For me, it was the availability of models to look at. We looked at another builder actually just a couple of days ago, and they only had one option to kind of view, and being able to go and see different models instead of just looking online has been a big difference.
I would say they're making a wonderful choice.
Agreed.